you going to bark? Oh, he's afraid.
He's afraid, yeah.
For me?
Oh, she's
That's it. Bye. Hi. Don't you bark? Goodbye. Bye.
You're recording.
I'm not very steady. I should have put it down on the rock. Is it too late to move it?
Love, you want to say where we are?
I can't remember. Szentendre.
Szentendre.
Szentendre,
Yeah.
the Danube.
Danube down there.
Yeah.
And
we're at the top of the hill.
Top of the hill, next to the church.
It's Thursday, and it's a beautiful day. We're going to have lunch.
Yes.
And drink something.
Soon. I'm a little bit hungry. How about you?
I'm a little bit hungry.
How much did you sleep last night?
I didn't sleep at all last night.
Well, there we go.
Just thinking of you. Oh.
What?
It's a movie.
Did I run?
No.
It's a movie?
Yeah.
Turn it off.
All right. Jokes for your relatives to watch. Did this stop recording? Can you tell if it stopped recording? I pushed it. Hey, I want to go back to bed. Drinking. Drinking too much. There they are. There's the swimmer fish. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye. Oh, I'm making a movie. I forgot.
You're making a movie?
Yeah, I shouldn't be doing that. But now that I am... Oh, here. This will get her over here. That's a beautiful pig. Look at that.
It's beautiful. Look at that. Little ones. How many? 2, 4, 6, 11. 11 of them.
Oh my gosh. They're the cutest things I ever saw.
Ha ha. Ha ha. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
He knew exactly when you were in this position, he says.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hi. Oh, oh.
Go.
Did you hear it?
You're on the foot.
Oh, oh.
Right there. A meridian, and there's the full moon. Let me point to the moon. That right there is the that right there is the full moon.
Right. Let me go around.